Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video we're going to show you how to replace the license plate light, the tag light on a Chevy Captiva. This one is a 2014 model, but it's the same from 2012 up. So what you need to do is you need to open the trunk, and right here you need to see which side is not working. So in our case it's the left side, and there is two screws right there. Let me get a better view. With a Phillips screwdriver you need to get both of them loose all the way. Okay, one of them is out, and now we have another one right there. So once you take the screw out of there, the whole light assembly should come down. You just pull it down. Okay, that's where the light bulb is now, right there. So what you need to do is turn to the left about 90 degrees and pull it. And now the bulb is right here. So what you need to do to replace the bulb, you just pull it out of there and replace it with a new bulb. Put it back together the same way we took it apart. You put the bulb, then you go in the slots there and turn to the right about 90 degrees. Okay, like that. Put the light in, put the two screws, and that's the whole procedure. Thank you guys for watching this. Please don't forget to give us a like if the video was helpful, and subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.